Hello everyone and welcome back to another Bimmer Fixer video, and in this very quick video I'm going to show you how to change out your mirror glass on your side mirror on your BMW e60 or e61. Now the reason I'm doing it is because mine started to delaminate around the outside, and there's also a little patch on there that really irritates me. But if your mirror is broken or cracked and you just want to replace it, exact same process. What we need to do first, we need to angle the mirror pointing down. This is just so we can get access to the top of the mirror, so we can get a tool down behind it to help pry it off the little holder on the back. So I'll do that now, and then I'll show you the sort of tool that I'm using. Okay, so once you've got your mirror pointing down and you've got your gap along the top, you're then ready to pop your pry tool in between the top of the mirror cover here and the back of the mirror itself. Now you can use something like a butter knife with a bit of tape on it, or a screwdriver, but it's best to use something quite wide just to spread the pressure when you're levering it out. I know you're probably not going to use this mirror again, but still it's always best to try and get it out in a oneer. So if you've got something like a pry tool like this, or ideally something like this one, which is nice and wide. This is from that kit that you've seen in previous videos, that trim removal kit, but I'll put the link in the description for you. But this particular tool is ideal because either you can go in from the top like that, or you can use this hook part here, so you can just slide that in the top like that and then just pry up, and it simply just pops out like that. Give it a bit of a wiggle, because where it's angled down it might be a bit stuck. There we go. Now on the back, you can just see here you've got the two wires here for the heating element. It doesn't really matter the orientation, but just OCD purposes, we'll put them back where they came from. So as you look at it from this angle here, the white is at the top, the black's at the bottom. So you just simply pull those off. I think this actually stopped working, funny enough. You see it's pretty minging, and you can see the delamination there, look. So yeah, ready to change. While the actual glass is out, it's actually a really good opportunity to give it a bit of a clean as well. So I'll just get in there and give it a bit of a spruce and evict any spiders that are in there, because I don't know if you get the same, but you clean your car and you come out the following morning and then there's a whole family of spiders that have made a web across the mirror and the door. So we'll just give that a bit of a wipe out there. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. So now we're ready for our replacements. So I got mine actually from Amazon. 22 quid for the pair, so I've done both sides, so I thought might as well. Now, as always, when anything comes off the internet, you can be a bit dubious about the quality of the part or product. But I've just done the other side and I was really impressed with the quality of the new part. So I'll show you. So things to look out for on a decent quality one. So it's the quality of the clips on the back. So these are really solid, really sturdy. How the glass has been fixed to the backing plate, in this case absolutely solid, and good quality electrical connections on the back of the mirror here. So yeah, really impressed with that. Also things to bear in mind when you order it, if you want to get the same as what you've got, you want to ideally go for the blue tint with the blind spot marker there. I don't know if you can just see it on the end of the mirror there. So then it's like for like, because you can get them that are just clear glass and not with the tint, but I think the tint looks pretty good. So what we'll do now is we'll just pop the wires back in. So it was white at the top, wasn't it, I think, and black at the bottom, and then simply just line up. Now bearing in mind the mirror is pointing down, so don't go flat, kind of angle it down a little bit. And on the back you'll just see that the holder sits inside the ring here. So just put that on there, and then equal pressure. I thought I got it in one then, I'll be so lucky. Give it a bit of push. We'll take a bit of fiddling. Don't force it, just it will. What's that going on? Typical, the other side clips straight on. But no, the side I'm filming takes forever. Standard. Stay with me in real time, I'm not going to cheat. Why is that not going on? Right, if you have issues putting yours on like this, let me know in the comments. There we go. Right, got there in the end. So yeah, just a bit of fickling or fettling, and then it will go. And then just give it a bit of a wipe off, get your fingerprints off. And there you go, all done. So, I don't know if you're going to be able to see me. See if we can come around to the mirror. No, not going to see me. Anyway, guys, that's the quick video how to change that mirror glass out on your side mirror. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've got any questions or comments at all, please ask away in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. But thanks very much, guys. And oh, don't forget, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.